Biafra restoration is not a joke. Biafra Liberation Army don come outside to send message to one woman wey be say e be like say dat woman dey talk bad against Biafra Liberation Army and Simon Ekpa. Na dem come give am warning for dis video wey I go show you. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balaba Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. No be small thing dey happen o. They say kasala don burst and yawa don gas. Things dey happen for inside this world wey we dey inside. Before we go look into the story wey we get for hand today, if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, oya make you quickly go subscribe and also turn your notification bell so that anytime wey we upload, you go be the first person wey go dey get our update back to back as e dey happen. Make we go look into the ogbonge news wey we get for hand today. They say Biafra Liberation Army don come outside on mass come send message give one woman wey be like say e dey talk bad about them and they castigate the Biafra struggle. And the woman that I guess in Sit-At-Home. But wetin we wan talk for this video before we go talk am, our man will watch the video from beginning to end and may you know wetin dey go on before we proceed.
It is always my pleasure to talk to you people because you are the reason why we are doing this. For the lovers of freedom, all the good wishers of Biafrans, and all the good citizens of Biafra, you are the reason why Tâlking sent us to ensure that the restorations of Biafra is guaranteed. And we are here to do the bidding of God. This morning, I want to inform you of 3 things. Please. The first one is this. Whosoever that know the person that own this Facebook page, JBO News, I'm going to show you a picture. This is the Facebook page. JBO News. Whosoever that know this woman, whosoever that know this woman should call her to attention. See her here. Whoever that know this woman should call her to attention. I will not talk this again. But we are digging the information about her. Everything about her, we are finding out. We are finding out. If it is your auntie, if it is your mother, if it is your sister, if it is your friend, if it is your relative, if she is your neighbor, anything she be to you, call her to attention. She should come out herself from anything concerning Biafra restoration, or it will take her head. She is not more than this woman. She is not more than 30 millions of people that die for Biafra restoration. This woman, she is not more than thousands of Biafrans that are being locked up in the prison custody in the zoo called Nigeria. This woman, she's not more than Nnamdi Kanu parent that was die out of shock. Nigeria murdered them. She's not more than 28 people that were shot dead in her father Nnamdi Kanu compound. She's not more than the people that they were killed in Aba, the people that were killed in Ebonyi, the people that were killed in every part of Biafra. She's not more than them. The woman, she's not more than thousands of young girls, children, pregnant women, unborn children that are being murdered every day by Nigeria government. So if you know her, call her and tell her that her sin is getting to us. And this is the last warning. And we will get back to her as soon as possible. I'm going to show you what she said. Think that Biafra restoration is a joke or is a play? You are on your own. This woman, she is the same woman that come online and talk nonsense about the prime minister. That the prime minister is doing business with the struggle of Biafra. She is the same person that said that they thought that Nnamdi Kanu is the leader. And blah, 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 blah. That everything in the Biafra restoration is doing is affecting Igbo people. And this same woman is a pay agent of the darkness. Is a geological republic of Nigeria pay agent. And you know us, when we give you warning, we do not talk much. That if we mean business, we should go to Aso Rock. I want to ask that question. If you want to go to market, do you just disappear from your house and appear in the market? The answer is no. You start step by step. Even though you are taking vehicle or you are taking bike or you are entering motor, it will not just be as you just put gear, you appear in the market. You will pass street by street, house by house, before you eventually get there. The restorations of Biafra is step by step. And I've told you our mission. I have told you our mission. Our mission is defined. It's stated very clearly. And we must follow it. It is called template to freedom. There is no magic in the way to freedom or to the way to liberty. There is no magic. It is gradually processed. And you want us to perform magic. If I hear your voice again concerning Biafra, We will pick you up to explain to us what you mean. I'm giving you the last one. I've told you, for all the social media content creators, be warned. Biafra restoration is not a child's play. Many people die for the cause of this restoration. And that is why it's not a child's play, because blood is involved. And anything that blood involved is not a child's play. So if you think you will come here and talk nonsense, I will ask you, did Nigeria kill your father? Did Nigeria kill your mother? Did Nigeria kill your brother? Did they kill your sister? Did they kill your uncle? Did they kill your auntie? Did they kill your friend, your very close friend? Who did Nigeria kill in your side? And if you say they did not kill anything, did they burn your house down? And if they did not do any of those things, keep quiet. Because if you talk nonsense, you are getting us angry. Whatever amount of money Nigeria government pay you cannot buy your life when we get you. Whatever amount of money they pay you can never be exchanged to your own life when we get you. Be one. Biafra struggle is not a child's play. So whenever you come online to talk rubbish, wash your back, because we are at your back. We are at your back. All the content creator, I will not warn you again. Because we will not allow you to deceive any innocent Biafrans. We won't. Not in this life. Not in their life to come. If you come up and you do not call a spare, we will come for you. Do you think to get the road to freedom is moi? It's enjoyment. Do you think that the road to freedom is enjoyment? To your mind, it is an easy road. It is an enjoyment. The road to freedom. Is that what you think? The road to freedom is not an enjoyment road. That is why you see us in the bush. Look at the forest. That is why we are here. What sacrifice have you also made? Because you must make a sacrifice. Everybody must make a sacrifice. Although some people make an ultimate sacrifice. Yes, those who laid their life down for us make an ultimate sacrifice. Some of you have never contributed a dime to this restoration of Biafra.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched this video and hear everything we talk for this video, sending a message for this woman. We don't know the woman, but I believe by sharing this video, this woman will get the will get this particular video and hear within the talk. But I will advise our soldiers to focus on what we are pushing, you know. So I think that freedom of speech will be something that is going to be free in Biafra. You have right to say whatever you want to say. This is the government we are fighting for to have. Okay, my people, I want to leave on a more, give on our own contribution for this matter where Biafra Liberation Army raised concerning this woman. What is your own opinion of everything we talk? Drop your own comment, drop your own opinion in a comment section. So let's talk about it over there. See you in the next update.